Hey everyone, Mr. Mac here. I'm just going to give you another quick tutorial. This time I'm going to show you how to use Flipgrid. It's very similar to VoiceThread, but in my personal opinion I think it's actually a little more fun. So after you go through the Great Plains and Rocky Mountains regions, it'll ask you to go to Task 2, and you're doing the same thing that you did on the VoiceThread after the interior lowlands, but I just wanted to change up the program. So if you click it, it'll again take you to our Google Classroom, and if you click on the link it'll take you to Flipgrid. But before I do that, you need a grid password, which is Mr. McCullough and the appropriate capitalization there, all one word. So if I click on that, type the grid password, Mr. McCullough, click let's go, and so there's my topic. After looking through the Great Plains and Rocky Mountains regions, you will make a Flipgrid identifying reasons why tourists would want to travel there, and you could think about what your must-do list would be. So if you click moderated here, there's the video, there's me, hello. So you will make sure your audio level is good, make sure you're in a well-lit room. This is just a demonstration, so I'm not going to worry too much about my lighting. I mean, you can see me. So I'm going to click record here. Recording will start in 3, 2, 1. So here I am talking about why the Rocky Mountains might be a really good travel destination. So I'm going through, I have 1.5 minutes total. Okay, so I come up with my good reasons, and I click pause, and then you can click next. 3, 2, 1. So here I am talking about why. Okay, so there's a preview. Rocky Mountains might be a really and I like it, so I'm going to click next. Okay. What's kind of cool is on the grid you can just kind of make a silly face if you want. You can just smile, whatever. This is a picture that will be seen on the grid, so I'm just going to make a goofy face. And took it. Actually, you know what? I don't like that. It's kind of scary looking, so I'll just take another one. Okay. And then you can add little stickers, drawings to it, so you can have a little fun with it. Seeing as how I am hungry, I will just maybe put some food on there, maybe a burrito. That's a big burrito. Some bacon. I love some bacon. Okay, and I will do, I don't know, I'll give myself a bigger beard than what I have. Okay, and I don't know, I will put a, no, I don't want that. What else could I do? Oh, okay, I'll give myself a scuba mask. Okay, so I'm good now, right? So click next, and I'm going to type my name, Mr. Mac. Email address is optional. I already know how to get a hold of all of you. If you just wanted to give your thing a brief title, Rocky Mountain Tourist Info. You don't have any links, so then you click submit, and when I look at people's videos I will make them viewable for everyone else, and you can go back in and you can make comments on people's videos.